Hey everyone, this video is about 3D tracking. So I'll show you how you can do a 3D tracking in After Effects. So let's get started. This is my clip which I downloaded from pexels.com. You can find the link in description. To track, we need to select your footage and go to tracker, and very first option we have track camera. Click on that and it will start analyzing. Once it has analyzed, it will also solve the camera, and then we can create a camera, and then we'll be able to place any element in this scene. So tracking has been done, but we are not able to see all the tracking points because they are too tiny right now. We can make them slightly bigger. So very first option we have track point size. So just drag it, make it as big as you want. So you can see all the points are sticking there where they are. So now you can place any element in 3D space, and let's try. So in this area I'll try to put on my target. So make sure you put, when you place your target, click and see at least they should make 3 triangles here in the shape, and right click to create a solid layer. You can create a text and camera and solid and null also. So I'll create this, create solid and camera, second option. Now you can see we have this solid layer, and here in timeline also you can see the solid layer. And if you play the footage right now, you can see this our blue solid, it will stick here. So let's see. So I can see it is sticking there. So we'll replace that blue solid with some other clip. So tracking has been done properly. So let's go back here, and I have another footage from pexels.com. So this will replace there. So let's go back. To replace this solid layer, select this solid layer here in timeline and your clip as well, and press Alt in your PC or Option on your Mac and drag that footage on this solid layer. It will replace. So now you can see here. And now we need 4 corners to move, so you can apply a corner pin effect. So go to effects and presets or type corner pin, and I'll apply this. Now it is applied there. So now we have 4 corners, you can play with that. So let's move the very first corner on the top. Then we have this. So let's play and see if this is sticking there properly. To make it faster, we can go for the half resolution. So you can see my clip is staying there. So this way you can do 3D tracking in After Effects and place your elements in 3D space. You can also create 3D text in After Effects and place it here, or you can make that text or any 3D element in Cinema 4D, you can bring it here. I hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching.